Welcome to Flowing River of Resilience, a meditation designed to guide you through self-focus, inner strength, and self-motivation, using the powerful metaphor of a river's journey. As you settle into a comfortable position, close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and as you exhale, release any tension or worries you're holding on to. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into a state of relaxation, preparing your mind and body for the journey ahead. Feel the weight of the day lift off your shoulders, creating space for peace and resilience to grow. Imagine yourself in a serene landscape where a river flows gracefully. It's a beautiful day, the sun casting a warm golden light on the water's surface, making it sparkle with life. The river winds through the landscape, curving around rocks, flowing through valleys, and persisting despite the obstacles in its path. This river mirrors life itself, sometimes calm, sometimes turbulent, but always moving forward. Let the image of this river fill your senses. Hear the water's gentle flow. Feel the cool breeze on your skin and smell the fresh scent of nature surrounding you. This river is a symbol of your own journey, filled with endless possibilities and paths to explore. Now turn your attention inward, to the river within you. Reflect on your own path, the obstacles you've faced, and how you've navigated through them. Just like the river, you've had moments of smooth sailing and moments of struggle. But with each challenge, you've learned and grown stronger. Breathe in deeply, drawing in strength and peace from the universe. Breathe out, releasing fears, doubts, and obstacles from your path. Visualize yourself as water, flexible and resilient, able to find your way around any barrier, adapting and evolving with every twist and turn. Focus on the wellspring of inner strength that resides within you. This strength is your core, unyielding and powerful, shaped by every experience you've encountered. With each breath, feel this strength growing, a steady current that propels you forward through life's river. Imagine this force as a vibrant energy, pulsating within you, its power undeniable, its presence a constant source of courage and support. Remember moments when this strength guided you, moments when you felt unstoppable, and recognize that this power is always there, ready to be tapped into whenever you need it. Now let this inner strength fuel your self-motivation. Visualize your goals and dreams as tributaries feeding into the great river of your life. Each one is significant, adding depth and richness to your journey. With every breath, feel your determination and drive intensifying, pushing you to move forward, to pursue your passions with fervor. Acknowledge the dreams that ignite your spirit, and let this energy move you, inspire you, and motivate you to take action. Feel the pull of this current guiding you towards your desires with unwavering purpose. As we near the end of our meditation, immerse yourself once more in the imagery of the river. You are this river, resilient, strong, and graceful. With every obstacle, you've learned to flow more freely, your resilience an ever-growing force. In these final moments, breathe deeply, embracing the peace and strength you've cultivated. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the calm and resilience from this meditation into your life. Carry the image of the flowing river with you, a reminder of your ability to overcome, to persist, and to thrive. Thank you for joining me in Flowing River of Resilience. May the journey of the river inspire you to navigate life's path with grace and strength. Carry this meditation in your heart, and let it guide you through the currents of life. If this meditation has brought a moment of calm to your day, consider joining our growing community. By subscribing to our channel and clicking the like button, you help us share the power of meditation with more souls searching for tranquility in this bustling world. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of peace. Each like, subscription, and share not only supports our channel, but also spreads positivity and mindfulness to others. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Remember, peace starts within, and through our collective calm, we can make the world a more serene place. Until next time, namaste.